Welcome to day 17. And you guys might be wondering, why the fuck am I wearing designer shades and why do I look like how I look like right now? Well, because in today's trading academy, today's episode, we're going to be talking about being overconfident, okay? I don't want this academy just to be all about technical analysis and just all technical, we got to throw in some psychology lessons in here for you motherfuckers because trading, and you guys will figure this out, especially the newbies, right? You guys are going to figure out that trading is it's a very mental game. It's a very psychological game, okay? And being overconfident is going to be one of the things you guys are going to come across in your trading journey, in your trading career, okay? Because when you become overconfident, you're going to make some dumbass, reckless decisions. I promise you, I've been there. Everybody's been there, okay? You guys are going to be making some irrational, impulsive, just you're going to be thinking, oh, I'm the fucking man. You're going to be looking like me, right? Designer shades on. Got the fucking rollie over there. I got the Van Cleef. I just bought a Van Cleef bracelet the other day, but I should have threw it on. But you guys are going to be feeling like me, designer shades. You guys are going to be thinking you're hot shit, and the market is going to humble you. The market is going to fucking humble you. I promise you that. Okay? Being overconfident is something that a lot of you guys are probably feeling right now, to be honest, because if we get into these charts, right? Let me minimize this here. If we start getting into these charts right here and all the assignments that I told you guys to pretty much get into here and start back testing, and you guys are already seeing, I guarantee you that you guys are already seeing that, that price is reacting pretty good in discount. Don't mind these settings, but you guys are probably in here back testing like, oh, okay, so once price gets into a premium, are we aiming for the lows, or we're looking for shorts, and it works out? You guys are probably getting a little confident now, right? You guys are probably like, oh, this is easy work. This is going to be fucking easy. Wrong. It's not. It's not going to be fucking easy, okay? It's going to be very fucking hard. Okay? And the overconfidence is going to come from a lot of back testing like you guys are doing right now. I just wanted to include this video again because I want to include more psychological things in this academy as well as like a bunch of technical stuff that we've already been doing in the last 2.5 weeks. I want to start throwing in some psychology lessons in here because the overconfidence is going to come from, again, back testing. Maybe you have a win streak, right? Just off of the basic market structure. Maybe you're on a hot win streak, right? You haven't lost a trade in like 2-3 days, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe a month. Shit, maybe you're on a really hot streak. You're going to be super overconfident one of those days, and it just takes one day of you going on tilt to wipe away all those gains. Okay, it's very important that you guys really lock in and really humble yourselves and bring yourselves back to ground level, because when you're in here and you're back testing new strategies and you're just in here looking at all this hindsight data, you guys are going to be like, oh, okay, this shit is easy work. It's not easy work, guys. I'll tell you this right now. Live conditions, live markets, they're completely different from back testing and coming in here and seeing how price reacted, to premium of the market or to in a fair value gap in a premium of the market. It's very, very different, and it's very different from live markets, okay? I'm not saying this to discourage you. I'm just saying this because I don't want, just remember this video, okay? If you take anything from this video, just remember this video in particular. If you ever, like later in the academy, once you start learning more advanced things and more models and strategies that I'm going to be teaching you guys, and you guys are going on a hot streak, and you guys are getting a little overconfident, you guys are starting to up your size, you guys are starting to take more trades a day, just remember this video. Come back to this video. Stop your shit. Stop your shit, bro. Don't be overconfident, okay? You need to lock in, and you need to bring yourself to just humble yourself and bring yourself to ground zero, all right? You have to remember that this market is brutal, and it's going to really test your patience, and it's really going to, test you, bro. It'll humble your ass. It's humbled me plenty of times. It's humbled all the professional traders plenty of times. And it's very important that you recognize that emotion when you feel like you're getting overconfident. Very, very important that you recognize that emotion immediately, okay? Once you recognize that emotion, bring it back down. Bring it back down and reset, okay? Just remember that this market can wipe away all your losses if you're not careful in one day or in one trade even, because if you get super confident, You guys might just over leverage and put all your account into one trade. Okay, I've done it before. Multiple other professionals have done it before. Okay, I have been down that road, and it's not a fun road because the weeks and days and months of progression goes out the window. You just lose. You lost it all in one fucking trade. One trade does not define your whole trading career. Remember that too. That's going to be another lesson for another video. But right now it's just don't be overconfident, okay? I know you guys are in here studying the academy. You guys might be like, okay, this is easy. You know, I'm understanding everything. But, you know, that's recognize when that overconfidence comes into play, all right? Some of you guys might just already be in these live markets trying to push buttons with real money or with profit from accounts, okay? And you guys are probably blowing them. Listen, when you recognize that you're being overconfident, again, just bring it back down. Just be like, hey, you know, I need to do more studying, and just don't go on tilt, basically, okay? Just don't over leverage, meaning don't put on more size than you're like, don't risk more than you're willing to lose, okay? Do not do that, because I promise you it's gonna suck, it's gonna hurt, and you're probably gonna quit. Okay, you're probably gonna quit trading. You're probably gonna just be like, hey, this isn't for me, you know? I want you guys to have the best possible chance at this shit. So when you recognize that you're being overconfident, whether it be from the back testing that you guys are doing that I'm having you guys do, or it be from, you know, maybe you're back testing and you're putting on positions during the back testing and you're like, damn, this strategy really works. Maybe you're watching somebody else and you're learning different things too. Just remember, when you recognize that overconfidence, bring it back down, okay? Just remember, this market can humble you. This trading game is a game of probabilities. Nothing is guaranteed. Just always remember that, okay? Nothing is guaranteed in these markets, all right? I just wanted to throw this video in here again. Psychology lesson. I want you guys to recognize when you guys are being overconfident, because it will come. There will be a day or a week or a month where you guys are going to be feeling like you're hot shit, like how I look right now. You guys are going to be feeling like this. You're going to be like, fuck yeah, I can make hella fucking money right now. I can make all kinds of money this week. Fuck everything. Let's full port this trade. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. I promise you guys. Let me take off these fucking shades. Don't do that shit, okay? But yeah, tomorrow's video, we're going to be going over changing the state of delivery and then order blocks to finish off this week. And then I think Saturday we will, I don't know, I'll have to think of, I think we might do breaker blocks or something. We'll figure it out. Maybe another psychology lesson. If you guys like these type of videos where I'm just, you know, giving you psychology tips, let me know, man. I'll make more, but I definitely wanted to throw this in here because it's a very real thing. It's a very real emotion in trading. Overconfidence is it's tough. Okay, so I want you guys to recognize when you are going through that, and just, you know, keep doing what you're doing. Okay, if you're on a hot win streak, keep doing what you're doing. Don't change up anything, because once you start to up that size and you're being super overconfident and you think, hey, this trade is going to hit, I know it 100%. That's when it doesn't hit. So, and then your confidence is just gonna get shot down. All right. I appreciate everybody watching the academy, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video for the order block video, or actually CISD video, changing the state delivery first. Okay, peace out, boys. Later.